Assalamualaikum and hi everyone. So we are from group 8 and we are going to present about Penang First Bridge. My name is Nur Balkis Minti Adam. I'm going to present the introduction and the main purpose of the project. So the Penang Bridge is a toll bridge and controlled access motorway in the Malaysian state of Penang that connects the mainland to the island. It stretches for 13.5 kilometers, which is 8.4 miles. From the mid of 1980s, the only mode of transportation, which is the main transportation from the mainland to the island, neither from the island to the mainland, was by ferries. The Penang Bridge is a public sector project that began building in 1981 and was completed on September 14, 1985, when it opened to the traffic. Penang Bridge Sdn Bhd (PBSB) was established as the sole company in charge of the bridge maintenance and operation. So for the main purpose of this project, the main purpose of the first Penang Bridge is obviously building a toll bridge and control access expressway in the Malaysian state of Penang is the primary goal of the Penang Bridge construction project, which will span 13.5 kilometers and include dual lane carriageways and control access lanes. Other than that, prior to the opening of the Penang Bridge, mainland residents could only access the island via ferry, which took a long time due to the fact that they had to take public transportation. In addition to traversing the Penang Strait, the bridge connects Seberang Perai on the state's mainland with Gelugo on the island of Penang. The bridge serves as the peninsula's first and only automobile link to the island connecting to the mainland.
My name is Siti Nur Aisyah binti Abdul Halim. My matric number 270030. So I will continue on my part, which is parties involved in developing the first Penang Bridge. There are many companies that involved in the project of first Penang Bridge. There are more than 5 associated in assembling one of Penang state symbols. The primary designer for Penang Bridge are the Government of Malaysia and Malaysian Highway Authorities. Engineer Chai Yen Chong is the project director in charge of the Penang Bridge project for the Malaysian Highway Authorities. The first secondary designer company is South Korea Hyundai Engineering and Construction Company, Korea Limited. HDEC, Hyundai Engineer and Construction, is a significant construction firm in the South Korean capital of Seoul. Also, United Engineer Malaysia Berhad is the second designer company that we mentioned, UEM. UEM is a Malaysian limited liability company that was founded in 1966 by 3 engineers. The first primary construction company is Loh and Loh Construction Company Limited. Loh and Loh Construction opened its door in Singapore in the 1960s. This family-owned firm began as a general contractor specialized in minor home renovation and new construction. The second primary company that assembles in this project is Maraputra Sdn Bhd. Maraputra Sdn Bhd is a Malaysian corporation with its headquarters in the city of Ipoh. It is a company that operates in construction of building sector. The company was founded on 7 April 1972. The multiple primary package 3, 4 and 5 that involved in this construction project is Hyundai Engineering Construction, HDEC and UEM Malaysia Berhad. Apart from that, The South Korean United Engineering and Construction Companies Korea (HDEC) is responsible for package 6 and 7. Furthermore, Rahim and Sons Limited is a real corporation with its headquarters in Droylsden, United Kingdom. The company was incorporated in February 1982 and began operating in the manufacturing of textiles industry. Also, the company that joint venture in the construction of the Penang Bridge is the Syarikat Hashbudin Construction Malaysian Sdn Bhd and the Lim Karbin and Sons Sdn Bhd. Last but not least, HTNB is a consultant engineering in construction Penang Bridge. HTNB Corporation is an American infrastructure design that was founded in 1914.
Assalamualaikum. My name is Nurul Azwani binti Muhammad Anas. My matric number is 269802. Now, I will present about the unit of the project for Penang Bridge. Superstructure bridge. First is cable stayed. The Penang Bridge was used to construct a cable stayed bridge. A cable stayed bridge is a method that has been used and improved over the last 15 years. When a bridge must span more than 300 feet, this is the most common construction method that used today. Cable stayed bridge can be made of either concrete or steel. Through a combination of the two is frequently used. Depending on the design, the cable in a cable stayed bridge carry the bridge deck from one or both sides of the supporting tower. All bridge loads are transferred to the foundation via the stay cables, which carry the deck. This is accomplished by the transmitting the cable step force through the cable's extremities at the anchorage point. The stay cable are securely fastened to encourage that are designed to withstand the buckling force of the loads. The second one is a box girder bridge. The Penang bridge is also a box girder bridge. It has the main beam made of a girder shape like a hollow box. It's typically made of a pre-standard concrete, structural steel, or steel reinforced concrete composite. When a composite concrete bridge deck is used, it is frequently cast in place with temporary falsework support by the steel girder. Both types of bridge can be installed using an incremental launching technique. Gantry cranes are frequently used in this method to place the new segment onto complete portion of the bridge until the bridge superstructure is complete. The next one is a building technical parameter and maintenance. When the bridge was first built, only the center span had 6 lanes, while the rest had 4. After the bridge widening project was complete, at the end of 2009, the bridge had 6 lanes and 18 km/h speed limit. The Penang Bridge has an overall length of 13.5 km, 8.4 km above the water, 1.5 km on Penang Island and 3.6 km in Prai. The 225-meter main span is 33 meter above the water, held up by the four 101.5-meter towers. The carriageway has 3 lanes in each direction and speed limit of over 70 until 18 km per hour. The bridge has an emergency lay-by equipped by the SOS phone, traffic CCTV, and variable message sign, which is VMS, are installed at all locations along the bridge. The bridge carries a Tenaga Nasional 132 kilovolt power cable. Okay, that's all from me. Now I will pass to the next presenter. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Karbin Birullah. My matrix number is 27797, and today I will present about the third uniqueness of the Penang Bridge, which is the strategic project location. The Penang Bridge locations area is located in a very well strategic place, which is in a stable region outside the earthquake lake belt. Usually, the decisions to choose the location is made by the contractor and subcontractor. The reason that the contractor need to choose the location, the project location site, very wisely is to avoid additional costs to construction project and also for the safety of the workers and contractors during the project ongoing. The selections of the project site area is an agreement between the contractor and the customer after examining various factors such as safety factors, area suitability factors, and construction cost factors. Due to the constructions of this bridge, the bridge in Penang is one of the longest bridge constructions and requires high construction costs. The selection of the construction project area is very much emphasized by the contractor. So the person that's responsible for the for building and also to choose the location of the Penang Bridge is Tan Sri Professor Chin Pungke. The Penang Bridge also construction area is also protect from the south west monsoon winds and can facilitate construction and maintenance work to be done more safely and ensuring the road user and construction workers are safe. Apart from apart from that, the Penang Bridge construction is also safe from submarine uh, volcano roots, which can also ensure the safety of workers. In addition to the strong beach, Penang withstand moderate to strong earthquakes around 7.0 on the Richter scale. That is all for me. Thank you.
And for the conclusion, the government initiative to construct the first Penang Bridge at the time was both timely and appropriate in execution. So, as the greatest building project in the world, and because of its sturdy construction, it has gained widespread acceptance from people. From then till now, the bridge structure has stood majestically in the middle of the ocean.